Biological keys help identify organisms. They simplify the process of classification. There are two main types of biological keys. First, we have numbered keys. These provide a series of steps to follow. Next, we have dichotomous keys. These present two choices at each step. Each choice is called a couplet. Couplets guide you to the next step. Biological keys are essential for identification. They aid students and researchers alike. To use a key, follow the steps carefully. In summary, keys simplify organism identification. Biological keys help identify organisms. They are essential tools for biologists. There are two main types of biological keys. The first type is numbered keys. Numbered keys guide users through a series of steps. The second type is dichotomous keys. Dichotomous keys present two choices at each step. Each choice leads to a couplet. Couplets help narrow down the options. Biological keys are crucial for accurate identification. They are used in research and education. Using keys enhances understanding of biodiversity. Biological keys contribute to conservation efforts. Learn how to use them for effective identification. Biological keys are tools for identifying organisms. They help classify plants, animals, fungi, and more. There are two main types of biological keys. Dichotomous keys use paired statements with opposite traits. For example, does the animal have wings? You choose one option to move to the next question. Numbered keys present multiple characteristics at once. You match the organism's traits to the options provided. Couplets are pairs of contrasting statements. For example, has 6 legs versus has 8 legs. Leads guide you to the next step after choosing. Biological keys are important for accurate species identification. They help in classification and understanding relationships. Useful in ecology, conservation, medicine, and research. To use a biological key, start with the first couplet. Choose the statement that matches the organism. Follow the lead to the next question or name. Repeat until you reach the final identification. Biological keys help us identify organisms. They present choices leading to classification. Dichotomous keys use paired statements. For example, does the animal have wings? Numbered keys show multiple traits at once. You match the organism's traits to options. Couplets are contrasting statements. For instance, 6 legs or 8 legs. Leads guide you to the next step. Biological keys are crucial for accurate identification. They aid in classification and understanding. Useful in ecology, conservation, and medicine. To use a key, start with the first couplet. Choose the statement that matches your organism. Follow the lead to the next question.